Hey there and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect TradingView to Bitget. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to TradingView and visit their official website and have to log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, you can go to tradingview.com and sign up. So free and paid plans are available. Paid plans unlock more features like advanced indicators and alerts. So then you have to go and visit Bitget. This one, you have to visit bitget.com to create your account. You have to tap onto it and then make sure you enable two-factor authentication for added security. So log into your Bitget account, navigate to API management, enter your details like email address, you have to set password, and then tap onto referral code if you have one. Then you have to sign this option called I have read and agreed to the user's agreement and privacy policy. Then you have to create account, and if you already have an account, you can log in with these options available. So now you have to click create API key. After logging in, name your key and set appropriate permissions such as spot trading, futures trading if needed. After creating it, copy your API key and secret key. Keep this safe, you will need them in the next step and they won't be shown. Now you have to again open TradingView. After logging in, scroll and find Bitget in the list of supported brokers. At the bottom you will find the option at the bottom somewhere here at the left side. You have to tap on to click connect. Then you have to press your API key and secret key when prompted. Hit connect and wait for confirmation. So once connected, you will be able to view your Bitget balance, place trades directly from TradingView, use chart tools and indicators to execute precise trades in spots or futures. So before going all in, try a few small trades to ensure your orders are executing correctly. Data is syncing between trading views, and that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy exploring.